Hello everybody, imagine you are building a project and in the middle of your work you see this message. What would be your reaction? You would probably just wait, right? Well, there is a solution called OmniRoute. By using it, you won't have to deal with this message anymore. The best part is it's completely free, guys. You can use it to your Antigravity, Cursor, whatever editor, it really does not matter. So let's go ahead and try to learn on how you can use it. There you go, guys. We got an OmniRoute over here. See, never stop coding. 226 provider, 1 endpoint, auto-fallback, never hit limits, guys. So you just keep coding. How we can start? In order to start, see here, start free, guys. We're going to click over here and see here is the 3 command 0 config. So you don't need to do any configuration. You just need to install npm install OmniRoute. Before install this thing, you have to have Node.js to your machine, guys. So install Node.js from here. So there you go, run JavaScript, get Node.js for your machine. For example, if you use Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Alright, now we are going to install. So I copy this command and we are going to paste it to our terminal. For example, you can paste it over here if you want. So let's go ahead and try to paste it. So there you go. When we npm install g OmniRoute, g instance, G for global, you all know this thing. It's installing. Will be wait, guys, until it's done. It keep downloading, guys, so we need to wait until it's finished. So let's see. There you go, guys, our installation has been completed. So now we're going to start. In order to start, what is the way? So it says OmniRoute. For example, we just copy this thing, OmniRoute, and see, guys, starting server, OmniRoute. Starting server, we're going to see, guys. There you go, our server is started. So you can copy this link and paste it to your browser, and then you'll see it. For example, I'm going to paste it over here. And see, guys, whenever we paste it here, we see this login message. So what is the password, guys? The password is default password is change me. We just need to copy this password and continue, guys. If you hit continue, never, see, guys. All right, see, here is our OmniRoute. Here is the endpoint, API key, providers, various service, all of the stuff, guys. You can head over to a section and read how it's working. All right, now our step 2, add provider, guys. So guys, you can see here total 256 provider, and here you will get free tier like 100 providers. So there you go, we need to click free tiers. Afterwards, you can see here available free tier providers, for example, Antigravity, CLI. Guys, there you go. You can install whatever you want. For example, I already installed GenMax free, and also you can install this one. It's also free. For example, in order to add this, oh, it's already free, guys. You don't need to install. For example, you can add this cloud code, but maybe not. So here's the API key, guys. For example, I have already generated one API key, but if you want, you can generate multiple. For example, create API key. Here you can give it a name, for example, test. So here you can create it, this thing, hit create, key create successfully, guys. So this key is your API key, guys, and you have to store it very carefully, because after done you will not see this API key anymore. So you have to copy and paste it somewhere, guys. I'm going to click done over here, and that's it, guys. This is our API key. So yes, I'll delete this API key whenever my video is finished, because otherwise everyone will use this API key. All right, so afterwards we have a API key. Now we have a endpoints, guys. So here is our endpoint. So you can copy this endpoint and already we have a provider. So whatever provider you want, you can test it over here. For example, DeepSeek, all of the provider is here. No worries. All right, so now what is our next step? We have already endpoints. We need to copy this endpoint, guys. And the best part is you have to running your terminal, guys, in order to use this OmniRoute. So always you have to open this terminal whenever you use this OmniRoute, because if you stop this terminal, OmniRoute will not going to work. So it's running to your project, to your machine, sorry. All right, so now our step is to configure. So in order to configure, we have to get the marketplace, and here we're going to search kilo coding, guys, AI coding agent copilot. So autocomplete kilo code, you can see here 2 million installation, I mean download, so you can install. I'm going to install this kilo code, guys. Still installing. I'm waiting for installation. Yeah, see guys, installation has been completed. And now we are going to use it. So as you can see, whenever our installation is done, we see over here a kilo code logo. As you can see, whenever we see this kilo code, you can see here, we can already use this free chat, guys. We can say hi, for example, and we'll get a response. Maybe not. Yeah, we need to connect the API, but let's see whether it's working or not. Yeah, I'm Kilo, your software engineer assistant. How can I help you today? All right, fine. We're going to take your help, but before we're going to configure something. For example, you need to go setting, you need to go providers, which provider you want to use. For example, you want to use here DeepSeek, OpenAI, Google, whatever you want, but in our case, we're going to use custom. So here you need to give your provider name, for example, test, and display name, for example, test, and the provider is compatible. And here so here is the API key we need to use actually, for example, but yeah, we need to use the base URL as well, and the API key that we have generated earlier. For example, see, here is the free available model is there already, but let's go ahead and try to get the API key. There you go, guys, we got a 218 model. So add all this model and click submit. There you go, this model now available to use. Nice guys. So now we can use here. If you click here, you can select here auto free, then you can see here context and everything. All of the model is here, guys, and you can use all models for free. Here is some free models, some paid model, guys. For example, let's try to can you build a landing page for me? Nice looking. There we go, it's working. Let's see. Say permission require, yes, allow once, and see what he can build for me. There we go, he creating folder and files like we see our agent. So now I'll create a beautiful model landing page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in single file. There you go. Nice. Yeah, done, guys. It's done. Here is our HTML page. So nice. So good. Also, you can track uses, how you use your model, everything. The old OmniRoute, the old LLM is free, anti-gravity, all of the stuff. There you go, guys, what we're using. Nice. We're going to shut down our server. There you go. Since we shut down, that's going to be off. Yeah, I hope you got the point. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you with another video.